This is a rickshaw. This is also a rickshaw. And this is, yep, you guessed it, another rickshaw. This is the rickshaw driver. This is the rickshaw passenger. The legal maximum capacity of passengers on a rickshaw is 2. The illegal maximum capacity of passengers on a rickshaw is as many as you can fit, cram, stack, and squeeze, which is going to land you at about 3 to 4 passengers. And now, here are some videos that will show you what it's like to ride on a rickshaw in Bangladesh from the passenger's point of view.